So hello guys, it's me Harshit Epic here. Today we gonna go another walk on nature. So it's nature time, baby. And the coldest wind is here. Look, even got that. I don't have an arrow because it's a cold windy season. I even got my laser lights. Look. It's like rose. Oh, hell yeah. That does not exist. Look, does even has a color, a red, and multiplied color. Look, it's a purple. Goody purple. Okay, they had white and blue and red. Same together, purple. Wow. You know, guys, what is this hill what I feel about the thing? I don't know what to say that. Okay. I don't want to record this, but I don't want to kill him or harm him. So I'm going to go pick him lightly up. And bam! That's easy. And I don't know, the sticks looks like Star Wars lightsaber. I don't care about that much. So another thing I spot is the doggy going on there. So you see that insect over there, I picked it and throw it away. And it doesn't harm it. So you call it a terrain insect because it doesn't hurt. You put it on the rock, it doesn't hurt. But you take the rock and put it on his back, it will crash and die. And he falls in the height in the apartment, he doesn't feel any pain because he made out of a shell. So that's a matter of fact is. Okay, another thing I spot on this and this, you know what I'm gonna do with this lion? Stamp it, stamp it, stamp it. Stamp it like that. And I don't wanna do that much. And what's that boy? I don't know. It's like he's gone forever. Like that. He's enjoying that freaky muddy. And look, there's a helicopter guy over there. Looks like my friend Butterfly doesn't come today. Look, he doesn't live here. He doesn't live here. Look, lightning, lightning. I am the Yoda. Yeah, and I am the Darth Sidious. And I am the what should I tell? And Darth Maul. Okay. I'm the world biggest pointy thing. Woo! Hello. You can spot where it is. Like coming towards you. Ooh. I look like a joker. Not a joker, literally. Look. I got you, buddy. Look. we're gonna do what you think. What you gonna do? It's a Krabby Patty. So we're gonna throw away. We're gonna throw it away. So no time to explain. There's a dog over there running like a psycho. I don't know. So I see in the YouTube, the most richest gamer is the Mr. Beast. He gave us $1 million if you can subscribe this channel to 1K. 1K. You can subscribe this video to 1K. It means it have darkness. There's a big shadow there. And how's my boy doing there? How's he got that smile? Damn. And he grow bigger and bigger. His age is 242. And next month is his birthday because summer season. I don't know what to say. Look, if you rate my flippin' car, it's my car though. I can only drive it. Oh, look, you can draw a smiley face. For smiley face. Look, smiley face. You can change the angle. Look like this. And bam, and bam, and bam, and boom, 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 and bam, and there we go. A good boy. Look, even he got hairs. And he got rain. And okay, let's try that again. Okay, that looks like a flippin' seagrass. So I'm trying to outsmart you. What is 1, 2, 3? Nah, that's 4. No, 1, 2, 3. That's not 4. That's 1 plus. That's 6, guys. That is 6. Oh, I said 12 plus 3. I said 12 plus 3. You heard it, guys. And I'm trying to outsmart you, you nerdy guys. Look. You think all it's a grass. And it's not a grass. It's a seagrass. I outsmart you. You look like this. Look, this gooby looking fish doesn't get on my hands. And look. What the hell is going on over there? And I don't want to outsmart you. Look. The red car you see, what is that car? Ford Mustang. It's Ford Mustang. And it stinks so much. I don't like it. That red one, you see that, guys? And what's the time? Oh, 9:41. So I'm going to take it to 11:42. Like 12:32. No, 13:42. No, nobody watches that thing. You see this spike over there? We need to and it's not a spike, it's blended spike. We're gonna get a rock and throw it away. And You see that flipping all over there? It's my front yard. It's my front yard, guys. And what I'm about to do, stamp, 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 stamp to that guy. Okay. You see this? What is this? A tree branch. No, it's seagrass. You can this, and I don't know. Everybody likes it. I stamp in that. You see this? What is this? You might think it's trash. No, it's not trash. It's seagrass. You see this over there? You might think it's a mud, but it's not. It's a seagrass. It's a seagrass. Wow! You see that apartment over there? You all might think it's all apartment. No! You see this? It's a seagrass. And you see this over there? You might think it's my car. And that's not. It's my yard. Okay. Come on. We gotta run. We got a race. 3, 2, 1, run. I got speed because I am the Flash. Oh, I look better and better. I look like Luca. I don't look the same. Yeah, I got this, guys. Yeah. Okay. What in the hell are you doing in? Okay, just a tiny rock. Okay, that's good. We had a race. I am the Flash to flipping everyone. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Yeah, that's not Flash. That's not Flash. That's flipping seagrass. So I'm gonna end this video, and please subscribe and view my channel. Bye, guys. And view my channel. I see. Don't viewing my channel is not a good thing. And bye, guys.